So we are building up our vlogger studio, and I just got this Sunpak 19-inch ring. So let's unbox it and see how this light works out. So let's start taking some of this stuff out. Here is the leg portion of it. So let's get this set up and let's see how this turns out. Alright, so this looks like it's going to be a big light. Okay, so this is the bottom portion. Y'all got to see how big this light is. It comes in this big old case. It says Sunpak. Look how big this light is. It's bigger than my head. Oh, you got $1, but I'm building something. Okay. All right, so this is the light.
You got a new one? You got a new one?
Girl, I'll be with you in just a little bit. And then you get this little bag with all of the attachments. Okay, so here's the cord. I'm excited about our goodies. Yes, get a bowl, and then you can.
I need 2 bowls for one to serve and one to eat.
Okay.
Because I kind of want to eat myself ice cream.
Okay, go ahead. All right, so let's put this together.
Okay, this is the ice cream. And then, Bro will probably want to lose your $1.
Chrissy, use the ice cream that you already have.
But I want to be able to eat some.
Okay, I just had a commercial break because Chrissy came in and wanted some ice cream. So now let's get back to opening up this stuff. So we got the attachments for this. Okay, so this little thing, this goes here. Screw that on right there. And then you have the attachment for your phone. Let's see, how would that look right there? Okay, got that. Let's see, what else? Now, okay, now, this, okay, so this thing gets really tall. But I'm gonna pull that up a little bit. And then screw that in real tight. Bam! Look at that. Oh man, this is gonna be cool. So it's really tall. You see they still have all of these knobs, so I can make this get even taller. And that is how you put together this ring light. And so as you guys can see, I'm getting my blogger studio together. So you see, this is how you can move the phone around and adjust it. So this is, like I said, the Sunpak 19-inch. Some of our goodies that we got from Best Buy. I'm putting together this haul right now, this Best Buy haul right now. All right, You guys jump in the comments section. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe.